Hello everyone, this tutorial is on pink, orange, gold eye makeup. If you're interested in knowing how to get this eye makeup step by step, then please keep on watching. This is advanced tutorial. I have highlighted the crease line using liquid eyeshadow. I'll demonstrate before you how to get that crease line highlight quickly done. Even though if it is advanced, you'll be able to achieve it at a beginner level. I'll demonstrate how to do it. If you're interested, please continue watching this tutorial. I'm using Lakme Absolute Infinity eyeshadow palette and picking this eyeshadow. I'm using Sigma brush E33. I'm packing this eyeshadow on my outer V. After you cover your outer V, begin moving it towards the crease. Pat, move brush back and forth and in circular motion. Raise your eyebrow for eyeshadow to deposit well. When you're moving brush, raise your eyebrow. Eyeshadow will deposit well. Keep moving brush in circular motion. Next, I'm using black eyeshadow. Pick black eyeshadow from some other palette and intensify your outer V. Pat a little on your outer V and begin moving in circular motion for black to blend with outer V eyeshadow. I'm deepening it further. I want intensity of outer V to be greater. Along with outer V, I'm doing the same on my crease. Next, I'm creating half cut crease. Cut your crease line neatly. Be patient when you're cutting your crease line. Do it slowly. Begin filling. When you neatly cut your crease line, apply concealer. Pull only the edge concealer towards the outer V to blend concealer with outer V. Next, I'm using this orange eyeshadow on my eyelid. Push outer V eyeshadow towards orange eyeshadow to blend orange with outer V. Next, I'm using this golden eyeshadow on the remaining space here. I start. Blend both orange and golden eyeshadows well, pushing towards each other. Next, I'm using this glitter. I'm focusing this glitter just on my eye mid. Apply only on your eye mid. After this, I'm using liquid eyeshadow. Two things to remember here. First is to place liquid eyeshadow just on the tip of the wand. Second is to make sure bristles are close to one another. The eyeliner brush bristles should be close to one another. They should not be scattered. If the bristles in the brush are scattered, it cannot be one steep point. To achieve steep point, you get bristles close to one another and make one steep point. Pick liquid eyeshadow and place liquid eyeshadow just on the tip of the steep point and begin highlighting your crease line. If you do so, crease line highlight is easy to achieve. Remember these two things always when you try to highlight your crease line. Now I'm creating winged eyeliner.
We all have our reasons why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to.
Next, I'm creating pointed inner corner. Pointed inner corner makes your eye makeup look so beautiful. Feel the difference before and after creating pointed inner corner. Now I'm coating kajal on my waterline. I'm using first eyeshadow on half lower lash line and the other half I would be packing orange eyeshadow. 50-50, orange 50% and the first eyeshadow 50%. That which I applied on outer V and crease. Next, I'm coating mascara on my eyelashes. Intensify your eyelashes well. Move wand in upward direction And when you're coating mascara on your lower eyelashes, hold the wand vertically. Use the tip of the wand. Individual eyelashes are targeted when you use tip of the wand to apply mascara on your lower eyelashes. I'm using foil from Swiss Beauty to highlight my brow bone. This foil is in silver shade. It's a very beautiful foil, link to which is in the description box below. And it's done. This is the final look. If you found this tutorial helpful, if you like this eye makeup look, then please consider subscribing my channel for more such tutorials. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Take care and bye.